Hello, teacher.
Hello.
Hello.
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Today,
Can you hear me?
yes,
Can
very
you
well.
see me?
Yes,
Okay, so good evening to you, Joanne. How's your day? How are you today?
I'm very good because today I have a lot of dessert.
What? You have lots of?
I'm very happy today because I eat a lot of chocolate.
Ah, that's great. Teacher Kim is also fine today. And I'm wearing jacket because our weather here is very cold. Because we have rainy season. Wow, that is your favorite, Doraemon? Is that your favorite?
What?
Is that your favorite cartoon, Doraemon?
Yeah,
Okay.
the
So can
weather
you,
is now.
all
It's
right. So
red.
are you, what?
It's red now.
Ah, it's raining there?
Yes,
Okay. So now, are you ready?
yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so let's continue our discussion last night, right? Because next week we will have new lesson that we need to discuss. It's all about new grammar. This week we learn about solutions elementary. Okay, so we need to finish the solution elementary for this week. Okay. All right. Did you do your assignment?
Yes,
Okay, so let's check your assignment tonight. Okay, so let's proceed. All right, so last night we discussed about solutions, elementary, introduction, grammar, right? So let us continue. So next, okay, wait
next.
for a while. I think task.
Yes,
All right, here, right? This is your assignment.
yes.
Okay, so now let's check your assignment if you really understand our discussion so you can answer it. All right. So where is your assignment due on? Or you can answer it right now.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
I go. Oh my God! I go to the camera. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
It's okay. Take your time. So, Yuan. Hello, where are you? Okay, so are you ready? Okay, you can answer right now. Read and listen to the dialogue. Where is Olivia's pencil case? All right, I think we are done here,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Wait for a while.
Then here too.
This one. Underline all examples of a and some and the in the dialogue. So all you need to do is underline the word a and some and the. And also and. Also the and some. All right, that's all.
Okay. That's
All right, so let's check your answer. If you underline the word a and some and the. Okay. So in the first stanza, have you get a pencil and an eraser? So the answer is a and. So you are correct. Then a pencil and eraser, the. In the second line, also correct. Then a in the third line. Next we have some colored pencils, correct? All right, so you get the correct answer. All right, so next we have also another test. Task 12, put a, and, or some in front of the noun. So all you need to do is you will put a, and, or some in front of the nouns. Okay, can you do it, Juan?
Yes.
All right, take your time to answer and tell me if you are done. Anya, Johan, okay. Because there is no the, only a and air or some?
Trong những cái này thì một ngày mình nghĩ thì nó sẽ khó hơn. Tại vì bây giờ mình chơi đôi mình đã quen với cái việc là đo thì thành phần của nó sẽ có
Got it. Okay.
nước chỗ này nó cứ tiên nhưng mà đến đây là sự là đo mai thì tôi thấy là nó sẽ biết là mình có cái cảm giác bị lỗi thì không gian đo mai thấy là khác biệt. Nếu mà người đầu chơi họ khó kiểm soát được việc nước nó thành trong cái nội dung của những cái gì hóa là cái ông một cái vậy nhạc truyền thống để nói cái này vậy nếu mà mình đúng như vậy thì mình cũng thấy là thời lượng của hôm nay chơi sẽ lâu hơn nhiều so với
All right, so let's check your answer if it is correct. So number 1, address. So the correct answer is okay. So you are correct. You got one correct answer. Next, we have okay. Some pens are in the bag. All right, an old car is beautiful. All right, some dogs are barking. Then, an eye. Next, some blue pencils. All right, some ruler blades. Some teachers are strict. Then, a cat is nice. Then, some photos are beautiful. A watch. Then, a skateboard. All right, yay! You are correct, Juhan. All right, so let's move on to another task. Okay, so here, complete the sentences with a and some or the. So now there is the word the. Okay, so
What happened?
why? You can't see it?
I hear what is ting ting. I cannot understand it.
Thing.
What is? I hear ting ting, so I can
Okay, wait
hear
for you can
hear what.
okay, I will check first. Wait, what is that? Okay. Wait for a while.
I will check my smartphone. What's happened? What happened? What happened? What happened?
I can't hear anything.
Okay. It's my phone.
Your phone
It's-
or mine?
I think it's mine. It's
Okay.
okay now.
Okay, so let's continue. So here, all you need to do is complete the sentences. Are you okay? Yuhan, are you okay?
Oh,
Mở trước một cửa chứ. Một chìa khóa mở từ hai ổ khóa. Bị ngăn cách bởi cái cửa này, bây giờ là cái cửa thì nó có lỗ, rồi kia là có ai là tôi không nghĩ nó có. Chúng ta sẽ mang thì về ở đây tấm đầu xuống rồi như là đưa đây chạy sao chết giờ sao chết giờ cái con đợi chứ nó gặp ở đây nhưng mà mình không chết xong rồi tự nhiên nó được cái đề biết sớm đi thấy là các con đời cái chữ đề và tôi biết là đề khó để có thật là đấy tôi được nhặt được một thứ trong những cái môn cái sẵn là môn này nó cũng nghĩ là tết luôn ở đây cái món không còn rồi đấy tôi nghĩ là muốn xuất hiện mình nhặt lên sao để mất luôn rồi hai các bạn làm hai rồi it's Chiêu ơi Chiêu mình nói này đây
All right. Okay, last one. Okay, so you are already done. So now, before we will check your answer, let us first read the following sentences. Okay, so please read number 1.
I've got a red pen and a green pen. The red pen on my desk. The green pen is in my pencil case. We've got some exams this week. The first exam is maths. The second is history. And the third is science. My mom's got an orange Fiat. And my dad got a blue Renault. The Fiat is new, but the Renault is very old. I've got some CDs and some DVDs, but I can't play the DVDs because my DVD player is broken.
DVD player is broken.
DVD player is broken.
Next.
A cat, a dog, and a mouse.
All right, so the cat's name is Suti and the dog's name is Freddy. All right, so let's check your answer if you're correct. All right, so I got a red pen and a green pen. The red pen is on my desk. The green pen is in my pencil case. Then we have got some exams next week. The first exam is maths, the second history, and the third is science. Then my mom's got orange Fiat and my dad's got a blue Renault. The Fiat is not new, but the Renault is very old. Next, I've got some CDs and some DVDs, but I can play the DVDs because my DVD player is broken. Then we've got a cat, a dog, and some mice. The cat's name is Suti and the dog's name is Freddy. Okay, very good, Anya. And you had you already know what is our discussion and you learned a lot. So by that, give me some high five. High five. Yay.
Teacher,
Okay. Yes.
call me by English name.
Okay, what is your English name?
Elena.
Eleanor?
Elena.
Okay, can you write your
Lúc trẻ thì nó thì là sao?
Okay, Elena. So your name is
Elena.
Elaine or Elena?
Elena.
Elena. Oh, nice to meet you, Elena.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's proceed to the next. I hope that next week I can forget your English name so that I will call you Elena.
Don't worry,
Okay.
I will.
Sure.
I will again for you.
Elena or Eleanor? Elena?
Elena.
Elena. Okay, Elena. Hi, Elena. How are you, Elena?
Thank you.
Okay, next. All right, so let's learn this. This, that, this, and those. Okay, so for example, we use the singular and this plural for things that are close to us. For example, this chair, this book, books. All right, when we say singular, it means one only. Like for example, this notebook,
Yes.
this notebook. Then this books. Using this when plural. Using plural. Okay, take note. Don't forget that. So we use that singular and those plural for things that are farther away. Like for example, that girl. So that is that. Then those dogs. All right. Far away from you. Those for example, those pens and the table. All right, so next. Okay, so here let's listen. All right, so we need to read the dialogue like what we are doing. I will read the part of Charlie and you will read the part of Olivia. Okay. Have you got a pencil and eraser?
Okay.
Elena,
What?
have you got a pencil and eraser? What is your... Okay, Olivia.
A pencil, but I haven't got an eraser. The pencil is on my desk.
Thanks. Have you got a colored pen?
No, but I've got some colored pencils.
Colored pencils.
Pencils.
What colors?
Red, blue, green, brown, lots of colors. They're in my pencil case.
Is that your pencil case?
No, that's Gemma's. My pencil case is in my school bag. And on. Oh no, it's at home. Sorry.
Okay, next we have... All right, so here let us learn another. Okay, work with teacher. Take turns to ask and answer the questions about the pictures. All right, so what can you see in the picture?
Color pencils.
Yes,
Smart-
color pencils. What else?
Smartphone.
Smartphone,
Skating.
guitar. What else?
Laptop.
Laptop and
Color
books.
pencil.
Books and skate what skateboard,
No.
ruler blade.
Ruler.
This
Blade.
one, roller blade.
Ruler. Blade.
Ruler shoes. What I don't know what is the correct term for that. Okay, so are this your colored pencils? So the answer is yes, there. Is this your? Okay, so now, all right, it's already. Work with each the as an, okay, so holding the things that is this. And this one, he point the guitar, so that guitar. Okay, so all right, so we are already done in our second lesson. So now let's proceed to our new this lesson. Elena, where are you?
I'm here.
Okay, so it's already we are already done. That's why we need to learn a new lesson. Okay. So wait for a while. Let's. Okay, so this one.
What happened?
All right, can you see it?
Yes, it can.
Okay, so now let's learn new topic, and it's all about Unit 1, Family and Friends, Vocabulary and Work Skills. Okay. So now we are in number 1, Vocabulary and Word Skills. Okay. So, meet my family. Okay, that's not my family. Meet the family of the pictures in the screen. Okay, so what can you see? What can you see and what can you say about these pictures? Okay.
Google.
They are what? They are
The big family.
yes, they have a big family because they have the grandparents, parents, daughters, sons and cousins. Okay. So how about you, Elena? Do you have your grandmother, grandfather?
Yes, but it's only one.
It's only
One
one. Are
one
your
is dad's mom and one is my mom's dad.
okay. So how about your siblings? Do you have brother or do you have sister?
Yes.
All right. How
One.
many are you? Okay.
I have 4. Me, a sister, brother, little baby girl, and me is 4.
All right. So you are too many also in your family, right?
I'm the second.
Okay. Okay. So next, let's move forward. Okay. So repeat after the audio. Okay.
Husband,
Husband,
wife,
wife,
grandfather,
grandfather,
parent,
parents,
grandmother,
All
grandmother,
right. So this is the okay. Next we have
nephew,
Nephew.
nephew,
Nephew.
niece,
Niece.
aunt,
Aunt.
cousin,
Cousin.
uncle,
Uncle.
all right, so we have nephew, niece, cousins, aunt, and uncle. Okay, so next we have, all right, so here is the task. Put the family members below into 3 groups. So female, male, and male, or female. Then listen and check. So all you need to do is listen first before you will answer so that you can get the correct answer.
Unit 1, Lesson A, Exercise 1. Group A, female.
aunt, daughter, granddaughter, grandmother, grandma, mother, mum, niece, sister, wife,
Group B, male.
brother, father, dad, grandfather, granddad, grandson, husband, nephew, son, uncle,
Group C, male or female.
child, children, cousin, grandchild, grandchildren, grandparent, parent,
Okay, so I will give you like, for example, here in the female. So what word that belong here? Like, for example, the brother is here in the male, and the female is like grandmother, mother, daughter, like that. Yes?
In the female is R.
Yes?
Aunt, daughter, granddaughter, grandmother, mother, niece, parent, sister. I don't know, no. Wife. In male are brother, father, grandfather, grandson, husband, nephew, son, and uncle. Male or female are children, grandchild, grandchildren,
Okay, so
grandparent,
are you done?
and parent sister. Okay, I'm done.
Okay. So let's check your answer if this is correct. So in female, there are aunt, daughter, granddaughter, grandmother, grandma, mother's mom, niece, sister, and wife. Okay, very good. So your answer is correct?
Yes.
Okay, next we have male. So in male, brother, father, dad, grandfather, granddad, grandson, husband, nephew, son, and uncle. Next we have, okay, child, children, cousin, grandchild, grandchildren, grandparent, parent. That's the only answer. Okay, next we have. Okay, so now learn this possessives. We adds to a name or noun to show passionate, no, position or a family relationship. My cousin's husband, my brother's daughter.
Okay.
Okay, so we are here. The example, my cousin's husband, my brother's daughter. Okay, so here is another. We just add an apostrophe to plural nouns ending N S. Okay, my parents' friends, but his children's school. Okay, so here is the task 2. Complete the sentences adding possessives and the correct family member. Okay, so here is the example. Harry is Tom's son. Okay, so Martin is what? Nathan and Rosie are Sophie Blanc. Harry is
Martin.
Liz. Lisa is Mia. Claire and Liz are Jessica. And Poppy, Harry, and Mia are Rosie. Okay. Can you do it?
Martin is
Okay, take your time.
Can I talk
What?
because I'm very when I write
Okay, sige. Oh, no. Oh, yes. How about number 2? What is your answer?
Martin is Tom's dad.
Okay, Martin is Tom's dad. Yes, correct. Martin is Tom's father. Next, number 3.
Papa and Rosie are Sophia
What?
is
Nathan and Rosie are Sophie.
Sophie parent. Sophie's parent.
Okay, how about number 2? Nathan and Rosie are Sophie what?
Parent.
Okay, what?
Parent.
Parents. So they are the parents, Nathan, Rosie, and Sophie. So they are parents. Next, how about Harry is Liz? Harry is
is Harry is
what?
Liz.
What do you think is your answer?
Son.
Okay, Harry is Liz. This one, Liz. Harry. Harry is there. Where is Harry? All right, this one is Harry. Okay, nephew. Lisa is Miss Grandmother and Grandma. Next, Claire and Liz are Jessica's aunt. Then, Popoy, Harry, and Mia are Rosie's grandchildren. All right. So, let's proceed. Okay, look out. Okay, so let's learn first. We add in-law for relationships from a marriage. So that is an example. Father-in-law, your husband's father, your wife's father. Brother-in-law, your sister's husband, your wife's brother. Okay. So next we have another. We add step for relationship from a marriage. Stepmother, your father's wife. Stepsister, your stepfather's daughter. your stepmother's daughter. Next. We add great to refer to the generation before. Great-grandfather, your mother's grandfather, your father's grandfather, then great-uncle, your mother's uncle, your father's uncle. Next, we have, okay, so here it is. For example, Martin is Harry's grandfather, granddad. Okay, so number one, what can you see? Okay. For example, Martin is Harry's grandfather, granddad. Then, what is your...
Liz is Sophie's sister.
Okay, next. How about number two? How about number two?
Mm,
All right, so Nathan is Rose's husband. So where is Nathan here in the picture? This one. And Rose's husband. Okay, so this
Jessica.
two. How about number two? What can you see?
Clara, Claire, Liz, and Sophia's is Nathan's daughters. Right?
How about number two? What is your answer?
Jessica's is Sophie's daughter.
All right, so next. Okay, Claire is Tom's wife. Then Jessica is Sophie's daughter. All right, I will check this part. Then Mia and Papi are Mike's nieces. Okay. So next we have, all right. So what can you see in the picture? All right. Elena,
Yes?
because it's already time, we need to stop here and let's continue next meeting. It's that okay to you?
Okay.
Okay, so for now, bye-bye and thank you for our class. Good night.
A nice dream.
Night
Goodbye.
dream. Sweet dreams.